Let's get our Bernina 990 ready for sewing. Your machine comes with a good selection of presser feet. The D feet can only be used with the Bernina dual feed system. To activate dual feed, the presser foot must be raised. Pull down on the dual feed located at the back of the machine until it engages. To deactivate, grab the dual feed mechanism and pull it first downwards and let it slide back up. If dual feed is not required, you can work with the reverse pattern foot number 1C. Confirm the presser foot in the selection screen. The stitch plate is easy to remove and replace with no tools. The stitch plates have a sensor, so they're automatically recognized by the machine. For the perfect start, place the edge along the horizontal lines for good fabric feeding. We recommend changing to the straight/cutwork stitch plate for stitching finer fabrics with the center needle position. The slide-on extension table provides a large, sturdy sewing area. Legs give additional support for heavier items. Attach the table, fold out the legs, and adjust the height by turning the screws. The viewing window gives you a better view to change the bobbin easily without removing the slide-on table. The markings on the table and the handy seam guide are also very useful when sewing. Connect the foot control and place it on the floor. More information on programming the foot control can be found in the manual, which can also be found in the Help Center. Simply search Foot Control and scroll down to see all the options available. Insert the knee lever and ensure that you're sitting at a height so it can be operated comfortably with your knee. With the knee lever, you can raise and lower the presser foot without taking your hands away from the sewing project. Insert the retractable thread guide. Extend it fully, rotating slightly so the cams engage, and position it so the eyelets are directly over the 3 spool pins.
Bernina, made to create.